What's the matter? How come her's crabbing? You're gonna fall? You wanna get out? Here, hold Grandma. Here, Peyton, Grandma help you out. Come on. Okay, there you go. There you go. You can get out. Okay, you're okay. All right, where are you going? Where are you going? Okay, here she goes. Get Sissy. Sissy, jump. Sissy, jump. Jump, 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 jump. Sissy, jump. Where's the sissy girls? Where are you gonna go? On the car? Tell Grandma, what happened? What happened, Peyton? Taylor's a big girl. So big. So big. How big's Taylor? Oh, Peyton's so big. How big's Taylor? So big. Oh my God, she's standing up. Oh, good girl. Good girl. How big is Peyton? How big's Peyton? So big. So big, girl. How big's Taylor? So big. Do patty cakes. Patty cakes, baker's man. Baking a cake as fast as you can. Here they come on their knees. Here they come, the two pretty girls. They're the pretty girls. They're my girls. Oh my gosh. Oh my girls! Look, there she goes. Her wants to walk. Whoops! Her gonna fall. Her's drunk. Her's drunk on love. Her's drunk on love. You good, Grandma? What's Sissy do? You gonna take my shirt off? Look at Bob. What happened? Really? You take my shirt off? What happened? You take it off? My goodness. Okay, what's Sissy do? Is Sissy gonna get on her chair? Sissy, get on your chair? You are? And over here, Sissy doing what? She's doing my shirt. You gonna take my shirt? What's in there? Grandma wants her shirt on. Uh-oh, there's my phone. Where's this silly girl?